Welcome here, everyone. Once again, we are going to describe the topic of AIN. We have to see this Infinity Group and is the leading blockchain infrastructures for the web borders, creating an agent and driving developments environment free from the centralized limitations and built on the three core pillars. And the first decentralized agentic IDE, enabling anyone to build apps and games and the social apps and the DeFi applications without the coding and using only the natural language and AI app store and for the publishing and the monetizing the creations and ING network, a scalable public chains and designed specifically for the white coders in early 2025. So Infinity Ground raised a $2 million seed round and backed by the top investors, including the freshest practice Winters and Marblex and the MS Winters and the Animoca brands and the Canite Fury and the Presto Labs and Parker etc. The project is pioneering a new era of AI native applications for the masses. So let's get explore. First of all, you have to go on the website, then you have to explore this. The more informations about the AIN. Good morning, Vision. Thank you for joining here. And how are you? So welcome here, everyone. The dad guy, the I am brother, Suri, and well, thank you for joining here, everyone. So now you have to see this build apps that are faster and easier with AI. First, Web3 native agentic ID. So next is the empowered developers enable to everyone's with AI and Web3. First, you have to see the describe your idea naturally, whether it's a web app and a video game, and the AI stories, a smart contract, and just stuff we will handle the rest. And the second is the create app and the assets effortlessly, and the no coding and the required so start from the scratch or remix ready made the template. So infinity creativity. Now we have to see this. The great manual. I have to describe this. Decentralize the infinite creativity also. So now you have to see the user works. It's the discover the latest work built by the creators and the start creating now. So the arcade and the pool of the games you have to already explore that. Okay, I'm going to describe this options. So now you have to see this Infinity Ground arcade now you have to see the more opportunities here. So first is the arcade game and the love terminal and the cat. Oh, where is it? So as we are building a future where anyone can effortlessly create the express in the own their vision with AI empowering the everyone to become a super individuals and they explore the create and the infinite possibilities also. Okay, so let's check out more information on the white paper. So stay tuned and keep watching here. I will describe and other information about the AI. So see here, it's just uploaded. Now you have to see this Infinity Ground, the blockchain for the web coders with the decentralized agentic IDE. So last update May 15, 2025. So the please note that this documents file maybe the updated or the revised and the VNs in Infinity Grounds aims to be the leading blockchain infrastructures for the web coders, enabling anyone to build and own the decentralized applications through the natural language and the agent collaborations we in the future where the software is no longer written line by line but co-created with AI agents in a fully decentralized censorships and resistance environments through our agentic ID, AI app stores and the ING the networks, we are building a new internet native with creativity. So, and autonomy and the collective intelligence also the current core products and Infinity Grounds current core products is the first decentralized agentic ID or revolutionary development platforms powered by the AI users also can describe what they want to do, built in the natural language and system generates the fully functional text without requiring any coding knowledge and the ID support and instant development deployment, growing library of the customizable templates and the smooth integrations with our app AI apps in the store for the publishing and the monetizations. This is not just a builder; it's the beginning for of a new creative economy that's driven by the agent collaborations. Also, thank you, Mr. Ambition, for saying the great job, good luck, and best wishes. I also having the best wishes for you. May God give you success in every field of your life because you are a really supportive and appreciable for me. Thank you, Mr. Ambition, special person here who's always support me and next explore the why do we need an agentic ID. Next topics we are going to explore the why do we need an agentic ID, the core. Okay, so why do we need an agentic ID? So first is the democratizing the development, second is the rise of AI native apps, and third is the natural language as the interface and the open remix culture, decentralized incentives. So next is the core shift enabled by the infinity ground, more machine language to the natural language, and from repetitive then manual work to the autonomous agentic workflow, and from closed platforms to the open ecosystems, and from the centralizations and to the decentralization, leveraging blockchain and the distributed networks, infinity grounds and fosters are trustless, resilient, and the permissionless environment where power is truly vested in the creators. So Infinity Ground is more than a tool, so it's new foundations for the AI native era. It turns everyone into a builder, a storyteller, and a collaborator also. Next is the overview of this AIN. Okay. So now you have to see the overview, the infinity ground redefines the developments and landscape by the seamlessly integrating cutting edge and the blockchain principles and with advanced AI workflows and by merging the human creativity and the machine's intelligence or technology, the stack transforms and how the applications are built, deployed, and maintained, ensuring a fully decentralized and democratic ecosystem. Next is the on-chain creation and decentralized architecture or platforms bring creation on-chain and enabling the creators to the truly own their assets with while the benefit from the scalability and the decentralization breaks. Okay, the architecture is organized into the several layers. First layer is application layer, second is execution, third is data, and four is model, and five part is hosting layer. Okay? Now you have to see this. This is the menu for the bringing creation on chain, enabling the creators truly on their assets and ensuring scalability while the keeping benefits of the decentralized and decentralization and security interface. So the application layer and the execution layer, the model layer, and the hosting layer also. First is the game Web3, web apps and the social apps and the DeFi community network and the chain and the data availability, the shared edges and decentralized storage and decentralized AI models and the third party and decentralized housing, the self custody. So next is the Infinity ID, the optimizing AI network. Sorry, AI workflow. And at the heart of our innovation, at the heart of our innovations is a funny Infinity ID, the next generation's development environment, and specifically the engineer for the AI native applications. Its key features include the parallel executional engine and the intelligent processing and the adaptive feedback loop and the modeler and the domain, the specific models also. Okay, so next, let's get explore about the new era of the human AI synergy. So Infinity Ground catalyzes a transformative shift in user interaction and value creation by blurring the lines between the human creativity and the machine's intelligence, and the platform support the vibrant and the collaborative ecosystems. First is the innovative user journey. Second is the AI-driven code generation. Third is the marketplace and the continuous evolutions also. So the core tokenomics philosophy in the AI era, tokens are not merely the digital assets, but serve as the fuel that context, creativity, data, and the culture. The AI and token plays a critical role in the incentivizing in the all ecosystems participants and from the creators and developers or to investors and the community members. It is designed around three main pillars. First is the creativity, second is the data, and last is the culture. So optimized AI and token allocations. The following allocations and strategy is carefully designed to balance early incentives with the long term and the platform stability and the growth. So each allocation category is tailored to the support and the underlying values and the objectives of the Infinity Grounds ecosystem. So now you have to see the total supply is $100 million, $1 billion. Sorry. Okay. Next is the deflationary and the mechanisms and the long-term incentives to preserve the scarcity and enhance the value of the AI. And over time, several mechanisms are integrated into the tokenomics design. So the milestone based on token burning as a platform meets key development and the growth target. Uh, Predetermined portions of the circulating tokens is burned, and the performance link vesting for the team and the partners and the major contributors vesting their and the performance linked vesting and next is the decentralized dynamic incentive allocation. And next is the multifunctional AI token utility. So the AI token is AIN token is the lifeblood of the infinity ground and integral to the multiple dimension of the ecosystem payments and the transactions and fee and serves as the payment tokens within the infinity ground the ecosystems used for the purchasing all services and unlocking new features and the paying the transactions and fees in the future with the launch of the ING network L2 and Initia, the AIN will also act as the gas tokens for the roll-up. Next is the memberships and NFT privilege, Launchpad, the marketplace access, and the governance participation and staking rewards also. The next wave, what? The lying edge foundations and build the core infrastructures, develop the decentralized infrastructures, architecture and the secure on secure underlying blockchain network, launch the Infinity IDE, establish early partners, users onboarding and training, all so launch the Infinity ID and next establish early partnerships and the user onboarding and the training also. Next is the ecosystem expansions and enhance the AI capabilities, integrate the advanced models and streamline parallel executions or for the efficient multi-stacking. Diversify the application layer, marketplace, and the revenue sharing, and the continuous feedback integrations, and the optimizing the system with real-time user feedback, improving code quality, debugging, and the workflow automation. So next is the phase three. And next is the full ecosystems to phase three, the evolving into the dab factory, the full ecosystem. Oh my god. So phase three, the evolving into the dab factory, the full ecosystems maturations and transition infinity ground and into the robust dab factory and the catalyzes innovation, And next, you have to see the global community and the developer networks and the sustainable innovation cycle. Next, phase four, the long-term VN, uh, post, positioning as the public chain for the whiteboard and uh, sustainability initiatives. Next is the official guidelines. So official links are here. You have to see the website, X formerly Twitter, Telegram channel, Telegram chat, Medium. And next is the brand guidelines. So download the branding kit here, Infinity Ground logo file, zip the archive. Next is the official link. Here's the official links. You have to see this, okay? Okay. Next is the FAQs. Stay here and keep watching. We are going to explore the FAQs. So now you have to see the what is the gate launch poll pack FAQs. So stay here and keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. So what is the gate launch poll? So the gate launch poll is an innovative stacking at the airdrop platforms where the users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or the other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and the new cousins. The Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform. So the Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and the airdrop platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, um, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of the hot and the new coins and with low entry barriers and the high APR. It's a multiple ultimate the platforms and effortlessly the capturing market opportunities also. So now you have to see this. Next question is how can I participate in the Gate Launch pool? To first log into your Gate accounts and navigate to the Gate Launch pool page and then choose the project you want to participate in and the stack your assets. How can I participate in Gate Launch pool? So first you have to log into your Gate accounts and then navigate to the Gate Launch pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. check the participation guide. Also, next is which coins can I stack in the Gate launch pool. So the first of the token eligible for the participation will be announced on the mining page of the each project with the varies. How many tokens will be rewarded. So early stacking reward is equal to the individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amount versus the total full stacking amount multiply hourly reward pool. Platform will take the multiple snapshots of the how are the reward distributed. The platforms will take the multiple snapshots of the original personal stacking amounts early and the token rewards. And if the amount of redeem assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of the earn simple and the assets will be automatically transferred to the spot assets. If simple earn does not support the claim of the redeem tokens and asset will also be automatically transferred to the spot assets. Can I redeem my stack assets at any time? Yes, you can redeem. Also, the platforms will take the multiple snapshots at any time. And the valid stacking amount, however, early redemptions may result in the in the loss of the secure reward and the please wait for it. The next question is, can I add the additional stack assets so you can increase what is increase your stack assets at any time. The more tokens you have, you stack, the more the greater your work potentials mining rewards. So, however, once the word cap is reached, you will no longer receive the stacking rewards. And next question is, when I can I participate multiple projects at the same time? Yeah, yeah, yeah. When there are multiple launch projects going on at the same time, so you can stack in the different pools that receive new token mining rewards for the multiple projects. So each stacking good needs to be the stack uh, separately. If only like can I participate in the multiple projects at the same time? So when there are the multiple launchable projects going on at the same time, so you can stack in different pools and receive new tokens, mining rewards, and for the multiple projects. So the each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack assets in the pool A, will not be able to obtain the rewards from pool by B. So you can stack pool A and the B respective, oh sorry, separately to obtain cross-funding mining rewards for the new tokens. So now you have to see this. Next question is what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? So the hourly rewards hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no future stagnant rewards and rewards will be grounded. Yeah, okay, please refer to the relevant. Uh, so next is the what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? So the hourly reward cap, hard cap, and the per users for each project is different. So once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. So please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining rewards. So next is the will stack. Okay, so next, will stacking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No, assets stack in the gate launch pool will be included. The assets holding calculations for the Woodler airdrop and okay, so now you have to see this. Next question I am going to share about the launch pool. So listen carefully. That. So will stack asset in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? It's the questions, main questions from you. So no assets stack in the gate launch pods will be included in the assets holding the calculations for hodler airdrops and the launchpad and the VIP privilege. And the next, what will happen to my funds if the projects I ended up early? So in case of early ending, you stack the assets holding and calculations for the hodler airdrops, the launchpad, and the pre-VIP VIP privilege. So what will happen to my funds if the projects is needed early? So in case of only early ending, your stack principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your lost interest will be distributed on the R after the end of the time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. Next question is about annual percentage rate. It's APR. I first you have to whether what is coin is the is stack coin. So APR is equal to the total rewards revealed in the last time. So last year's total stack, it's 365 is equal to the 24 multiplied by 100, and it's the APR of our the APR is an estimate and the following And when the reward coin is not the stack coins, APR total rewards and released in the last hour and the closing price of the reward coin of the last hours and the last hours total stack versus the closing price of the. Okay, the APR is an estimate and for reference only, the actual analyzed return you are financially receives shall prevail, and APR data is updated early. Okay. I also tell you about the AIN. Infinity Ground is the leading blockchain infrastructures for the web coders and creating an agent and driven development and environment free from the decentralized limitations and built on the three core pillars. The first, decentralized agentic ID, enabling the anyone to build apps, scams, and the social apps and the DeFi applications without coding and using only natural languages and AI apps store for publishing and the monetizing creations and specifically for the web coders in nearly 2025 Infinity Ground raise $2 million seed round backed by top investors including. Okay. Next, we are going to explore about the hodler airdrop, some informations we are getting about this. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching here. Welcome to Mr. Gate users. Thank you for joining here, and thanks for dropping your comments here. So now you have to see the hodler airdrop. How to participate into the hodler airdrop. First of all, you have to see this as long as your GT holdings in the Gate account is no less than one, and you can participate and the receive airdrops without blocking or stacking. And next is the which accounts GT holding will be included in the calculations. The total GT holdings in unified accounts and the spot account, isolated margin account, and the copy trading account, boots count, and the financial account and the payment account. The however GT in the crypto loan and the GT2 are excluded. Next question: which accounts GT holding will be included the circulation? So total GT holdings in unified spot account, future accounts, latest sorry, isolated margin accounts also. Okay, it's okay, don't worry. Mm. Next question is what? How is your airdrop amounts calculated? Okay, once you join the project, the systems will take the your multiple projects. How is your airdrop amounts calculated? So once you join the project, the systems will track your GT holdings and taking the multiple snapshots. And every day it calculates your average hourly cap holdings. You can uh, perfect. Okay. Next question is what is the per GT? So the per GT is an estimated value, including the number of the airdrop tokens you could receive the participating in the hodler airdrops projects with 1 GT and the holding it until the end of the project. So please note the per GT will change based on the total airdrops amount and the GT holdings of all participations and is updated hourly. Next question is why are my holdings counted differently across the projects? So yes, okay. The system uses randomly snapshots to the calculate your average hourly holdings and depending on when you join the projects. Depending on when you join the each projects, the calculated average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holding amount remains constant, your average hourly holding should be the same as the projects you want to participate in. Okay. And next question, what is the individual participation cap? So the different projects have the different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcements for more information. Can I participate in the multiple projects at the same time? So you can participate in the multiple project at the same time. Yes, you can do that. How will the airdrops reward be distributed? So the airdrop will be calculated and the distributed within the 1 day, 1 hour after the project ends. So you can check it anytime in launch poll, then hodler airdrop, then participation your history. Okay. So the gate will officially list AIN for the spot trading at the 10 on July 5, 2025, and will join the hands with the Infinity Grounds and to kick off an ecosystems week, a series of the exclusive campaigns, including the Launchpool Candydrops Alpha and the Simple and will go live according to the schedule below. So you are invited to participate and explore the AN ecosystems and then the launch pool, the stack AI and for or BTC to the farm rewards from the $12 million, 12 million AIN prize pools with early reward claims to the start July 5, 2025. And next is the Candy Drop. So the Candy Drop is an airdrop platform launched by the Gate to celebrate the AI ecosystems and week. The Gate and Infinity Ground are the launching a special Candy Drop event. So to complete the Candy Drop task and trade and to the share in $24 million, sorry, 24 million AI and airdrops. The event period is July 5 to July 14, 2025. So the Alpha Gate, Alpha Third Points Carnival issue second and trade to share the 6 million AIN and the alpha points events period is July 5 to 2025 to July 10, 2025. So the simple learn, the gate simple learn will launch and in 7 days fixed term predictions on July 7, 2025. So they're offering a 15%, 150% APR and the only 20 million AI available first come first serve basis. Okay. So about N, so Infinity Ground is the leading blockchain infrastructures for the web coders and creating an agent driven development and environment free from the centralized limitations that are built on the three core pillars. And the first decentralized agentic ID enable to anyone to build dApps, games, social apps, and DeFi applications without the coding using only the natural language. So at AI app stores for the publishing and the monetizing the creations and the ING, the network, a scalable public chain and designed especially specifically for the web coders and in early 2025. So Infinity Ground raised $2 million seed round and backed by the top investors, including the Practice and Ventures, Marble X and MHO Ventures, and Mocha Brands and Kenai Fuel, Crystal Labs, Paka. The project is pioneering a new era of the AI native applications for the masses. In the events of any discrepancies between the translated and the original content, the English variant and shall prevail. Thank you, Yukim. Thanks, Yukim, uh, Jiangju, Skyfall, via Get Users. One person drinks to the point. Thank you for joining here, everyone. Whereas in the ongoing project of the Candy Drop, Infinity Ground is the leading blockchain infrastructures for the web coders, creating is the creating an agent-driven development environment free from centralized limitations. Website I also explored this website. So main information I'm going to describe is the participants are 16,981 and the 2 days and the 5 minutes are left behind from this event end. That's the complete task to share 24 million AI and price pool. So future trading to share 9 million AI. And so you have to see this carefully. what are the requirements to participate in the candy drops? So users participating in the candy drops are required to complete the identity verification and click the join button, and the only later successfully the joining will their actively data be counted, marked, and when will candies be distributed after the completing task? So candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after users complete the task. Okay, thank you everyone who's joining here my stream, and thanks a lot here. Please kindly support me, follow me, and drop your thoughts in the comment section when I'm streaming. And especially thanks to all of you. High Ambition, thank you so much for joining here, and also for your support and appreciation also. And may God give you success in every field of your life, guys. And best wishes for you, best of luck, and take care of yourself. Okay, now I'm going to end up this stream. Thanks a lot for joining here, and take care of yourselves. Goodbye, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you.